Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Taco Bell app. So first you need to search for the Taco Bell app and you need to download and create your account. So I already download this app and create my account. So now once you download, you simply need to open the app. So let me open this app. Let me open again. So wait for few seconds and after that you can use this app. Okay, so once you are in this app, you need to click on the menu. So once you are on the menu tab, so here you can see different items. And if you want to order any item, you simply need to click here, order. You need to select the quantity, and from here you can select the quantity and click on this tab and click on order. So once you click on that, your order will be placed. So currently I am using this app in another language, but you got an idea how you can order. And here you can see your delivery partners. You can use coupons here that you can use, and basically this is the simple method you see you can use this Taco Bell app. Here you can see different items. You can see complete menu here. So this is the process how you can use Taco Bell app. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.